I'm going to test this sound meter on the highest speed of the fan and the lowest speed of the fan. Hey everybody, Chef Media here. Today we will be reviewing the Dreo Cruiser Pro T1S Smart Tower Fan. We did receive this product to review, but any opinion is my own. If you are interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. With that being said, let's get into the package contents. Here are all the package contents all laid out for us. On the right hand side, you can see that we have the tower fan unit. On the upper left hand corner, we have the Smart Tower Fan user manual. On the upper right hand corner, we have the Connecting to Dreo app. So it's going to teach you how to connect to the Dreo app. On the middle side here, on the left side, you have the Join Dreo Community. So it teaches you how to join the Dreo community. On the right hand side, it's just the thank you note. It says thank you for choosing Dreo. You have your pegs below those that connect to the base of your tower fan. You have your remote, and then you have your legs that connect and make a circular base to stand up your tower fan. Let's go ahead and get this tower fan assembled. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to attach these legs together, and then we're going to screw the pins into these 4 little holes right here and screw them right into the unit. Now that the base is set up and the power cord's plugged in, let's connect it to the Dreo app. We already downloaded the Dreo app, as you guys can see. I'm going to click that and it just says add device, okay? You're going to make sure that your tower fan is on at this point. So my tower fan is on. I'm going to click add device. And there's my tower fan that just popped up. I'm going to click on that. Okay, now it's going to prepare for connecting. This is where you're going to actually hold down the oscillating for 5 seconds. Now you're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Sweet, perfect. There's our tower fan. Device name, we'll just keep it a tower fan for now. Okay, click done. So here's the tower fan. These are the different modes, different features here. You have normal mode, natural mode, sleep mode, auto mode, okay? You can change the fan speed up all the way to a level 6. You can oscillate it. We're gonna turn that fan speed all the way back down to 1. You can see I'm oscillating it right now as well, which is super cool. You can turn on the timer, on or off. You can turn it to, say you wanna have it for 15 minutes, you can do that. You can confirm. I'm gonna back out. That's how to set the timer, okay? We're gonna go up. It also tells you the indoor temperature up there, which is it's really cool about it. Okay, we have the user manual you can go into right here. If you have any problems, you lost the user manual, you go right into the app and check it all out right here for you. I love that. It shows all the contents of this user manual. Go through it all. Quick and easy, okay? Facts about the tower fan. You can go in, take a second to load. Different things that if you need help, you can go to this fact sheet, okay? You can mute the tower fan, like so. I'm gonna unmute it because I like hearing the noises, okay? You can share this device. You have the Wi-Fi info, obviously. And also it has a voice control. It has Alexa voice control that you could set up with Alexa. I am not going to set that up, but it is very easy. You just set it up with Alexa, and all you do is connect. You'll see your screen right here, and you'll connect it to Alexa just like you connected it to your device. Just as simple as that. Love that as well, that you can have a voice control with this. Okay, you can also delete the device, and if you have too many devices or you just want one device on there. And yeah, this is a Google phone, but it's compatible with any phone, compatible with iPhone, compatible with anything. So Apple Store, Google Play, whatever you would like. You can turn on and off the fan, which I'm going to do. I'm going to turn off the fan for us. But that is the quick and easy app setup of the Cruiser Pro T1S Tower Fan. Our first feature that we're going to talk about is our power button. Easy right here. You can see it right in the middle. Turning it on, and I can go back and I can turn it off. Nice and easy. Our second feature is our mode button. Our mode button has 4 different modes. It has sleep mode, auto mode, normal mode, and natural mode. Right now, we are actually on the normal mode. And what the normal mode does is the fan runs at an actual constant speed. So right now, it's just running at a constant speed at a level 2. Okay? We're going to change that mode to the natural mode. The fan actually runs at alternating speeds in the natural mode. So as you guys can see, it kind of duplicates what it's like to be outside and what it's like to actually feel in a natural environment, what that's like. Okay, so I'm going to go to our next mode, which is going to be our sleep mode. So in our sleep mode, the fan speed decreases every 30 minutes. So the speed decreases by 2 levels at the most and will remain constant if it's at a level 1. Okay, so it'll just keep on decreasing by 2 levels at most. Okay, we're going to go to our next feature inside of our mode button, and that is our auto mode. So our auto mode is where the fan speed adapts to the ambient temperature outside. So it's just going to adapt based on what the temperature is. So if it's hot, it's going to blow even hotter, or even more if it's hotter. And if it's cooler, it won't blow as fast and it won't blow at a constant rate. Our next feature is our fan speed button. So our fan speed button is right here. You can adjust your fan speed. So right now we're at level 2. We can go all the way up to a level 6. This is going to be the highest fan speed of this smart fan. We can go back down. And level 1 is the lowest. That is our fan speed. Our next feature is our timer button. And our timer button, you can adjust the time from anywhere from 0 to 12 hours. So if I want this to run for, let's say, 12 hours, which will go all the way up, I set it like that, and this fan will run for 12 hours. That is our timer. Our last feature is our oscillation button. With our oscillation button, as I press here, it adjusts the airflow direction. So as you can see, the fan is going in a 180-degree direction in both ways. It also can be used for the pairing on your device, which we showed when we were connecting our device to our phone and the app for Dreo. So I have my sound level meter right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this sound meter on the highest speed of the fan and the lowest speed of the fan. And I'm going to read the highest level of decibels on both of those speeds. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn on our device. Okay. As you can see, we're actually on normal mode, and we're on a level 6. We need to get to a level 1, because that's where we're going to start our test at. Okay. We're now at a level 1. I'm going to bring in my sound level meter, as you guys can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it for its max decibel at this lowest level right here, level 1. All right, guys, so as you can see, at a level 1, it maxed out at 39.6 decibels. For our last test, we're going to run through the same process. I'm going to turn on our power, and we are actually on a level 6, and we're on normal mode, normal fan speed mode. As you guys can see, looks like we're topping out at about 55.8 decibels. So about 20, almost 20 more decibels than our lowest speed. So a little bit more of a sound, but not too crazy. I don't think the sound is too much. So the remote has all the same features that you saw manually and on the app. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys, you can do the power button right up here to the top. Okay, you see that turns on my fan right there. We're on a level 6 right now. Okay, you can lower that level right here, that fan speed. I'm just pointing it at it. All the way down to a level 1. Okay, and you can higher the level back to, we'll say, a level 4. Okay, here's our mode button. You can click that and go through all the different modes. So we're on normal mode, Now we're on natural mode, sleep mode, and auto. Okay. Here's our oscillation right here. As you can see, the fan is oscillating. Right here's our timer mode. You can click up to 12 hours, if you guys can remember. I'm going through the different times we can set here. We'll go up to 8 and set it like that. You can also mute the sound. Right here, as you can see, we can mute the sound. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to oscillate for you guys. You guys won't hear the sound because I muted. Or I'm going to unoscillate. Unoscillating. Okay. And that's the remote, guys. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fan that is a quiet cooling solution for bedrooms or home offices, then you should definitely check out the Dreo Cruiser Pro T1S Smart Tower Fan.